So this is another way to approach the miniature golf course hole project. So in the previous video, we did that 8 by 12 foot square or rectangle to build ours off of. On this one, I took my sketch and I just drew it out. So a single line sketch of what I wanted my course to be. In the previous video, remember, we drew 2 sets of lines. But on this one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this original one and I'm going to extrude this, let's say 4 inches. And this might not be the extrusion you use on yours. It's just an example. Again, it'll vary by that project. What I can do now is I can come up to my shell tool. I can select that top face, and if I want 1 inch thick walls, I can shell thickness 1 inch. And now you're going to see I have that same type of design or base for my course, but it's not sitting on that platform, and I didn't have to do double lines for my walls. This might be the easier aspect of how to approach yours, especially if you don't care if you have that bottom 8 by 12 foot square, but a rectangle. So please have a sketch done so you can stay inside of your constraints, because it's really easy as we're doing this randomly to create something that won't fit on the amount of land that's given. So just like on the previous one, this is where you could add your features. So I can show if I wanted like a hill, I could choose that wall. I can choose my 3-point arc tool. And again, I would do this according to the specifications. I'm just going to do this rather quickly to show you. So I know I need to connect, I need a closed drawing, so I need to connect the bottom of that arc. And then I can extrude this. And I don't off the top know how thick my platform is. So you could create your hill, as we can see there. And again, I showed you in the previous video how to do the tree. Just to go through how I did my sand trap quickly, I can lay a sketch down. I can grab that spline tool. And close out my drawing. And then I can do my extrusion. And again, I'm going to do a removal. I'm going to have to change this because I'm not doing this to my exact specifications, my depth of this. So we could see like a 1/2 inch. And then I came by and I filleted my top edge. And then when about to color my faces, I can right click, edit the appearance of that face to give it a little sandy color to create my sand trap. But these are just, again, some techniques that you can use. Please plan yours out thoroughly so you can get the course that you'd like. So again, just to show you how I did that corner block on my previous one, all I did is grab my line tool, drew my right triangle here, and then extruded that right triangle for my little block to bounce off. But again, be creative, make your designs, and make them to your specifications.